Still 109. It's been a week. Why won't you change?
Are we stopping to talk to our hands now? Hello, hands!
Wait, do I even have hands?
Ugh, that cat wasted time I could have used getting off the train. We've got to keep moving if we're ever going to find the conductor. From now on, we're not stopping for anything. All right, 1-1, time me. Ready.
Set!
Go.
Look at me, I'm a musical genius!
So many ducks.
Can you help me find my normal eyes?
Sorry, no time.
Mash with us.
Nope, no time.
Got the time?
No time.
You're telling me I'm dead.
Look, more weird furry ducks.
Help me find the exit, 1-1.
Salutations, two-legged stranger and loud-balled creature. Welcome to Corgenia. I am Atticus, king and uniter of the Cardigans and the Pembrokes. I extend to you my greetings.
Hi, I'm Tulip. I like books?
Greetings, Tulip the Literate. Let me show you my kingdom.
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm actually in kind of a rush to find the exit.
And so commences the official Tourguenia of Corgenia.
Does he do that a lot?
Oh yes, every chance he gets.
No. Down. Go get it.
Please excuse us. We just get very excited when someone new comes through the door.
Food dispensers, belly rub machines, gift of speech. You guys are doing pretty well for yourselves.
Wow, this is my first time being nauseous.
Wow. How many dogs are there in Corgenia?
We're 400 strong and 399 cute. Just don't tell that to ugly Irwin. Ugh. Can I interest you in a sunbeam to lie in?
Nah. 1-1 and I really need to... Wait. 1-1?
The sun's gonna burn out one day. Enjoy this while you can.
No more sunbeams, no more distracting but admittedly fun dog stuff. It's exit time. Where is it?
Across the great river and through the twisting woods of mystery, you shall find the unsolvable puzzle door.
Water, woods, door. Got it! Thanks, King Dog. Bye!
It's Atticus, and I must urge you to wait.
1-1. Time me. Ready.
Set! Yay! Shadow puppets! Look, I can make an eagle.
What is that thing?
It is the monster. Quickly, Tulip, to the temple! I will admit there are some things I haven't told you about Corgenia, like why there's a giant
shadow monster?
Yes, patience, young lady.
Patience? I'll never get to the conductor by just waiting around. Let's band together and attack the monster.
Impossible. Ever since it appeared, the water has risen and ruined our city. If we try to cross the harrowing 2-foot depths, we would surely drown. Everything is going paws up around here, if you'll excuse the language.
Let me see if it's gone yet.
1-1, be careful. Ugh.
Looks like I'll have to start writing his obituary.
Awfully morbid little thing, aren't you?
Yes.
Ah! What is it, 1-1?
It's gone! I'm excited! Ah!
Let us be on our way.
Didn't you want to go outside?
Yes.
Outside?
No.
Outside?
Well,
Outside?
maybe.
Come on.
Well,
want to go outside right now?
No.
You want to do it? You want to go outside?
Yes, I want to go outside. 1 week ago, that was the Dog Department of Water and Power. Now it's just the Dog Department of Water and Water.
Wait, a week ago? That's how long it's been since my number changed. Maybe that monster is related to my number, and maybe if we stop it and reach the exit door, it'll help me get off the train.
That's a lot of maybes.
Maybes are maybe my favorite maybe.
Maybe.
1-1, time us. We're going in.
Wait! You'll need my help if you intend to leave. The exit is blocked by the unsolvable puzzle door, and it's too dangerous to rush in alone.
How dangerous can it be? I faced a bunch of weird stuff on this train.
Some were scary, but others were dancey.
Dancing is scary.
I assure you, the monster does not dance. Tulip, I don't usually beg unless it's for a tasty, tasty treat. But it seems we have overlapping problems. Will you take me with you so that I may help save Corginia?
Fine. As long as you don't slow me down.
Excellent. I must warn you, however, we Corgis are a proud people, and we hate being picked up.
Why would you need to warn me about that? Stop! Oh, please stop doing that! Stop wiggling for 2 seconds! It's the door! Look out! Wait. Aw, it's just a little spider building her little spider web.
We're grossed out, right, Miss Tulip?
We've destroyed the monster. I thought victory would taste less musty. I also thought the water level would go down.
Yeah. But maybe my number... Of course. Yeah, of course. Nothing happened. No water, no number, no monster. Correlation isn't causation. I know that. Oh, I want some answers for the first clue I've gotten this whole time? No, not allowed.
Miss Tulip.
I could travel for years on this ridiculous train and never escape. Why is this thing on my hand? Ugh! It's not fair. I'm going as fast as I can, but I'm getting nowhere.
Just because you can't figure things out immediately doesn't mean it won't happen eventually.
Yeah, but it feels like every time I find something logical about this train, it's thrown back at me and I'm stuck without answers.
We can't always force progress, Tulip. After all, I didn't have a solution to Corginia's problems until you showed up. You helped me, Tulip.
Thanks, Atticus.
Now, I'm not just laying on my back for nothing.
Okay. Wait, how could a spider cause that problem with the water? The shadow came from that weird orb, but what's that weird orb for?
It's the real monster.
Those orbs must have something to do with the environment.
We should attack it.
We'll never make it.
Maybe we can escape out the unsolvable puzzle door. How do I unlock it?
First, you put your paw on the handle.
Okay.
Then you turn it.
All right. That's how all doors open.
My people have been working on this technology for decades.
Let's just talk to it.
No!
Hello!
Atticus!
What the dog do?
Atticus!
Return to your seat.
You're awfully shooty today. Somebody needs to spend more time in the monster dance car.
Oh, you're okay. I'll I'll just keep your obituary on file then.
My number changed.
Hooray! Wait, is that good?
I'm not sure. And I think that's okay for now.
Corgenia will never be safe with that monster still at large. Since you're headed in the same direction, I request to accompany you on your journey so that I may hunt it down and bring it to justice. Also, you give Stellar belly rubs.
It would be an honor to be joined by such royalty.
Hooray! King Weird Furry Duck is joining the team. Wait, Miss Tulip.
Don't you want me to time you?
Nah. Aren't you coming?
Yes.
Then come on.
No.
We're not doing this for every door.
You want to go, sir?
Yes.
Come on, you
No.
can do it. Come
Maybe.
on, good king.
Well,
good king.
no.
Yes,
Maybe.
come on, then.
Yes, I want to go outside.
Please.